Day one officially of Wisconsin bow season. We're out here, we're filming. The mosquitoes are the worst I think I've ever seen them in every year I've deer hunted. I've never also deer hunted this early, but we're gonna try and see if we can see a big deer. See some does, I don't know. Brock, Sam, they got in late last night. They're in their stands. We don't exactly have the greatest camera gear for filming bow hunts, so we're gonna see what happens. The bugs are back, Adam's shaking, and let's get in the woods.
What's up, guys? We are in the stand. First morning hunt of the year in Wisconsin. Feels good to get back in the tree. We're all kind of sitting in different spots on the farm, spreading it out, so mosquitoes are awful. Getting in here, you just got swarmed, got the thermocell going. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to sit in here. It's going to be like 95 today. Oh, here's some deer. Morning one, not a success. We're gonna get out of here and see what happened with Brock and Dicer.
Yeah, we're back at the truck, folks. And I've got to use the bathroom really, really bad. We stayed in there for about an hour and a half. We were late. We were about probably 40 minutes late this morning. But it's all good. It's really hot. It's going to be 80 degrees. Obviously, you could tell the mosquitoes are bad. And we need to get out of here. They're freaking so bad. So it's been a morning, day one. Sammy saw the most deer, but now we're putting together more stands. This weekend is not just about deer hunting; it's about prep for the rut for when it actually gets good, when the mosquitoes die. So
Yeah, need to get some work done.
And so Sammy's doing this. Let's take a tour of the old casa right now. This is Brock. He was also hunting this morning. What'd you see?
Nothing.
He saw nothing. Andrew. Oh, there's Andrew. Andrew is going bluegill fishing later today. Chris is going to be playing on his phone. Spencer's going to be cooking us food. And Mav is Mav's doing Mav things. So that's deer camp right now. It's early morning. It's about 8 o'clock. First hunt is over. Now it's time to prep.
Okay. Oh my god! First start.
Today's meal, we gotta feed the boys. We're gonna put a dozen eggs in with these potatoes. Ready? Ready?
Well, you're
some
gonna
bacon.
cook them in there?
Get some bacon in the oven. And we're gonna put some eggs right in here and make a little scrambler for the boys. Stick with us.
Yeah.
Well, guys, welcome back to the episode of Alex burning his hand. Today he's gonna burn his hand on bacon grease because we don't have an oven mitt.
Can I put this on the granite?
Put it somewhere.
Yeah. Oven mitts aren't here, bro.
The only one we didn't check.
The one next to the oven. Should we flip that? What is going on here?
Cooking bacon. Our bacon looks good.
Bacon is just greasy. Greasy. Bacon.
Maybe like a
Little bacon, little eggs, little potatoes. You know, what more could you want in life?
An Alex pear scrambler. It's something that I've seen Alex eat many mornings. I tried duplicating it for him.
think I did a good job.
I think that's done.
I think I did a good job
I think you
duplicating
did a really good
your
job.
daily diet. If Alex could eat this every morning, he would.
I think I throw a little mild salsa with that. Look at that.
Okay, come on. Ready?
Homemade salsa? Yeah. After a morning of setting all this stuff up, after hunting, it's about 11 o'clock, and we were gonna hang some stands and really get dialed in on this land. Really get dialed in. With my boy Sam, my boy Brock, and the other guys, Chris. You know, Chris doesn't do much in life, so he's gonna play on his phone all day while we go get some work done. So let's do it. Hear that? Gotta be quiet though. He's got a bunch of targets. So we're taking the ATV to the land right now to hang a couple stands real quick, midday, try and get in there real quiet and quick. This is the way we would normally go to the farm. We were gonna go around, but looks like we'll be able to get across the creek, but there was terrible storms here in south central Wisconsin. And this road just got completely washed away, but look at that. All right, let's get across ourselves. Dude, on that side, it literally, you see where that wall is? Yeah. It just separated. You can see like where it was flush. Yeah. This is insane. This is why we couldn't make it through this in the morning with the car, but we literally drove the ATV through the creek. There's the creek. Some great structure. Great structure, and yeah,
on the edges.
let's get to the land. Are you not sitting here, Barrett, straight ahead? No, that's what I'm saying. All right, we can put you in there too.
Or even like on the edge of this cornfield down in there.
Let's go.
Which was wrapping around the tree.
Let's go look at my other stand real quick. Okay, I'm gonna come up on this ladder. We're both gonna go down if this falls. All right, we're good to go, boys. You needed it down there to start. Just everybody, just be careful because we might come flying down here. It's hot, we're tired. Here goes how to get a four-wheeler stuck. Let's get it. We're back out here for the afternoon hunt. Perrick's not with us. He was sleeping. I don't know if he's gonna make it out. It's already 5:30. Last light's probably about 7:40, so we'll have about 2 hours. But we've been seeing deer moving, driving down the roads and stuff, pretty much throughout the day, the past few days. So we should get in the stand. We just hung some new stands midday, and so it's gonna be interesting. I think we're all in a good position to put some sort of, whether it's a doe or a buck down. So let's do it. Yeah. Alright guys, we finally got settled into the stand here. First time sitting in the stand. We hung it probably about 3-4 hours ago, so I think we were pretty quiet. Hopefully we didn't do too much, cause too much disturbance back here, but where we are hunting got terrible rains a couple weeks ago and everything flooded, and the mosquitoes are just brutal. We have thermocells going, which seemed to help this morning, but right now they are not helping at all, so this is gonna be a tough sit. Hopefully we'll start seeing something here soon. Just saw our first deer, and that deer actually
Alright guys, we just got back to Peric's cabin. He ended up not sitting tonight. He had to take a little nap. We did do a lot of work, and it was 90 degrees today, like 100% humidity. Some people might ask, like, why are we even sitting? But there's actually been a ton of deer movement. We've been seeing a lot of deer, just stuff hasn't really been connecting. We saw a few deer. They were really working the beans tonight. The way the crops are set up, it's kind of corn, beans, so it's kind of spread out, and they'll bed in the corn, move the ridges, and work their way into the beans in the evening. So that's something to keep in mind for tomorrow. We saw a few deer coming out of the stand. We were trying to put a stalk on one, had him at 50 yards, but I didn't really have my arrow ready. So we'll see. Tomorrow's a new day, and hopefully we'll be able to connect on at least a doe, fill the freezer, and we got our boy Sobi.
How's it going?
Sobi has returned.
We're up here at deer camp, and these boys have been grinding. It's been buggy, it's been hot, and Brock and Dice been sitting it out.
Yeah, yep. So shout out to Adam for sitting in the tree with me tonight.
Dude, Adam's been freaking grinding.
I
don't know where Mav is. I don't know where I've been. But Adam's been in the tree, and he's been killing it.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to get one. Tomorrow we're going to get one. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
We'll be right back.